motion in 208.
The best retro music.
Can lead to chronic such as mental health issues like depression, anxiety, and increased risk to the physical problem.
I am going to tell you how to deal with discrimination. Speak up. We need to speak up for our rights. Seek support. We should seek support if you are facing any kind of discrimination. Know your rights. Learn about your rights and protections under the law.
Today I am sharing about discrimination. In law, policies and institutions, we are basically certain rules based on race, gender reasons, small discrimination, everyday act or attitude that usually treated people differently because of their characteristics such as stereotype or microaggression.
I am going to tell you about how we can stop the discrimination. The first and foremost is the education, in which the people are going to learn about the diversity of the caste and the gender in their country. And the second is the laws and policies, in which the government should make strict laws and so that no one should be discriminated, and if someone is being discriminated, that person should be punished. And the third most is the awareness campaign, in which the people will be aware about the diversity of their country.
I'm going to share some info about the resources of discrimination. Resources of discrimination is typically represented as the elements or factors that typically represented as elements or factors within a society.
The discrimination is that someone treated unfairly because of their age. This can happen in various settings like employment, houses, or access to services.
Treating people with disability
Let's go to the mica. Mica, and you can turn this towards me.
treating people with disability unfairly because of their age.
I'm going to tell you about sexual orientation. The sexual orientation discrimination occurs when someone
discrimination can manifest in various forms, such as denial, important hospital services based on one's sexual orientation.
Religious discrimination occurs when someone is treated unfairly on the basis of their religion, beliefs, or practices. This can manifest in many ways, such as denial in employability, opportunities, harassment, or exploitation of their rights. This is a total exploitation of their human rights. The government has taken many steps to stop religious discrimination, such as making laws against it and enforcement of these laws.
Discrimination during pregnancy happens when someone is treated unfairly in workplace or another area because they are pregnant. Another reason of this when someone is discriminated by their caste or gender.
National or regional discrimination is when someone is treated unfairly because of their gender or their nation.
Sexual harassment involves the bad behavior between the people, including the bad comments and physical comments. It mainly occurs in academic setting and workplace. It creates the bad environment between the people.
Shonan can also do application.
Discrimination. In all over the world, there is discrimination. There are basically three types of discrimination: gender discrimination, color discrimination, caste discrimination. Gender discrimination. Boys and girls are being discriminated all over the world by gender. Color discrimination. In all over the world, in our Africa and India and all over the world, people are being discriminated by their color. Gender. Caste discrimination. In India especially, people are being judged by their caste and they are being discriminated.
Inequality and opportunities are conditions like gender economic circumstances, like geography and some ethnicity which can trap large amount of people in poverty, especially children when they are in needs.
Inequality in treatment and shared responsibility requiring effective action for progress in justice.
Age equality. In age equality occurs when a person is not given the same opportunities because he or she is not be considered to be old and to be young.
Stories about inequality. Stories believe that inequality is a desirable which plays an important role in our society.
What is human right? Human rights are right inherent to all human beings regardless of their race, sex and religion or any other status. Human rights include rights to expression, rights to freedom and rights to education.
Why human rights are important? Human rights are important for making sure that every human gets treated equally. They are in fact good for standard.
Rights of Russia. Some rights are privacy, expression, assembly,
Let's in Russia. In Russia, civil liberties are rejected, limiting freedom of press and expression. Citizens face restrictions on assembly and expressions, assembly and
express their
Human rights of every person in India. Right to equality. Right to freedom. Right against exploitation. Right to freedom of religion. Right to constitutional remedies.
ways to aware people about their human rights. There are many ways, like we can do mass media campaigns and we can do collaboration with NGOs and community workshops should be conducted regularly. Clinics, legal clinics should be set up in public places to aware people about their human rights, and street plays and exhibitions should be organized.
How we can check human rights in India? Research, legislation, monitor enforcement, utilize international mechanism, engage with civil society.
Human rights in Pakistan often face challenges due to limited and
lack of implementation of human rights in Pakistan. Take a stable access but in personal history. Such a system hampered human rights progress, minority rights less justice.
I have created the video of a class for decorating the walls by their teacher. Also, we get rated by a student.
Come nearer, take your laptop with us.
My actions matter. In building the future. We want. In this spirit. I pledge. To promote. Peace. Justice. Fairness. And strong institutions. In my school. And beyond. I will strive. To promote. Equality. And discrimination. Of whole human rights. And foster a culture. Of lawfulness. I commit to. Act with. Integrity and. Rise up for peace. And the rule of law. With education. Amen.
My God, you're mesmerized and I'll be requesting the honorable guest to say a few words.
You know, when we were in our schools or when we were preparing for the competitive examinations, you know, we went through the aspect of law, the constitution is the most important part, you know, when you are preparing for any competitive examinations. But truly, आज मैंने एक नया तरीका देखा just to study how you people are understanding the rights, understanding the fundamental duties that are all enshrined in the Constitution of India. So बहुत अच्छे तरीके से you people have displayed the rights, not just saying the rights. I just read your small posters which you have displayed. आपने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से किसी छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम को कैसे उसका solution दिया जा सकता है. You have just understood the crux. You know, one of the students have written that when you have a problem or an issue you are facing with somebody else, you just keep calm and you listen to the other person's thought. You know, अगर ये सारी habits आज से आपके अंदर आ जाएगी, I don't think कि आप लोग कभी किसी के साथ, you know, you can be on the other page or in the wrong side of the. So it's beautiful how well you are preparing, how well you are doing all the exercises and your pledge. Everybody is taking the pledge and not just taking the pledge, you are understanding the meaning, you are understanding the purpose. That's what is important. Congratulations to all of you. A huge round of applause for yourself.
So we have Principal Prabjot ma'am, she's from SCS World Data. Group of children have also come to the show. Over to Prabjot ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone, once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
The moment I entered the class, I was totally engulfed into the class by your vibrancy, by your energy. Such a beautiful class, what bright colors all around. You know, I felt like, yes, I need to stay here for some more time. So if every class is like this, you know, vibrant, full of energy, then obviously the learning outcomes are much, much better. And the way you started with the song on gender equality, Cake Off, Gina Mujhe, and the girls, they performed without any dance teacher, clapping to all of you. Wonderful performance. Really good. A lot of learning has happened about how we have to resolve issues, how we should not discriminate on the basis of religion, caste, minority, on the basis of sex, on the basis of, you know, gender equality and human rights. You You have portrayed each and every aspect very beautifully, very lucidly, and thank you all for such wonderful inputs. Thank you, children. You all deserve lots of them.
Truly amazing performance by all of you, and really so happy to see you all working together. I feel you all are the real examples of when we talk about human rights, equality, justice. So the way you all have worked together, and you showed it so beautifully how you have done the preparations all together, sitting together, and that is what togetherness is, the equality and the rights, equal rights is all about. So you are showing it through your own examples, and that is truly amazing, and really very beautiful performances. All the way you have expressed your thoughts, truly amazing. Thank you so much.
You are our excellence when it comes to your team, the quality of work which you make them do. You have raised the level for your students. You have taught them what excellence is, and that's what we teachers have to do. Beautiful. I love this gender equality in different colors. Do you see that? Discrimination. And look at this.
The woman is going out towards that
It's so nice. I love that. What's that? The homes or something?
Yeah, stories on the human rights of Russia and then Pakistan. So that we are children seeing the
All right. I love this also, classrooms. Everything is so good. Everything is very good.
It's all my students out there.
Yeah. It's the class leader and now a request. Can you please listen to it? Because you please make it chai, Jodi se. अब हाँ बोलेंगे? Yes. प्यारे से हाँ बोलेंगे? Yes. अच्छे से हाँ बोलेंगे? Yes. Picture चाहिए. Fine. That's it.
We promote SDG 16. I promote SDG 16. I promote SDG 16. But why do you promote it?
injection. So I said, you're so good, you should have it every day. The way you made us learn about the target output and the year, उसको किस टाइम पे अचीव करना है 2030, we won't forget it. So it's a very beautiful way, the way आप छोटी-छोटी चीज़ों को इतने अच्छे तरीके से present करते हैं that they just make in your mind. वो चीज़ set हो जाती है दिमाग के अंदर. And how beautiful the boys were acting. This boy, he was wonderful, and the girl, the confidence level, everything is so beautiful. And hats off to you and your teacher who has made you wear this act. Congratulations. Very good. Rub your hand on it. Thank you.
Yes, because it's so fertile. So they were selected. They fighting together. Now the officers are deciding what to do with the people who are not following the rules.
Hello everyone, I am Increasing. I will focus my results on apple market. And here you can see we have written apple market at 4 banners. And here is let's go. And here you can see we sell snacks for $54. And we sell glass for $1. And here you can see we sell concrete for $1. And here you can see we sell the decorative materials for $1. And let's go, I will show you armors which are for showcase, but these are made on special request because we sell so many times to be made. Let's go now. Thank you.
Let's take a moment to appreciate the couple. A round of applause for this creative student.
Hello everyone, my name is Karimasi and today my topic is cleanliness. As you can see, due to rain from several days, there was a heavy flood and it flooded all the houses in the village. So there are no villagers left in this village. The destruction, the villages were abroad, so government has to take action. They have made the government. Let's check. As you can see, there are many areas for beds and facilities such as food, water and clothes to help villagers in surviving. This shows that religion needs help and the government is careful for them. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am showcasing my Minecraft work on topic sincerity. Let's take a word together. In a small town there lived a sincere girl. One day she found out her friend's daughter was under. Her friend told her he was sick. She told him she will take care of it. She did the work sincerely. As a gift, he wants to give her a pendant. She was very happy to get it. Thank you.
Very nice.
Hello everyone, my name is Amrit and today I am going to show my Minecraft version on a street. Once there was a homeless painter. He was having pain, but no one knew. Come on, come. One day, a person came to his shop and asked for a golden carrot. The vendor said, $1 for each golden carrot. Then the person paid 6 golden carrots from the vendor.
Excitement. The world of kids with Justin and Kathleen.
What do we do?
In this game, your goal is to hit the target with the help of balls.
With the help of balls. Oh, alright. Chalo, let's have a go. Yeah, man, all yours. कहाँ से खड़े होना? कहाँ से खड़े होना? So you want the entire thing to fall off? क्या रिजल्ट रहा? No, boss. Ma'am has represented all of us. You have earned it. You have earned it.
So we must watch it.
नहीं बस, we'll have your show. So before we leave, let's get up in our places and give a big round of applause. चलो भाई applause तो बनता ही है ना. चलो चलो stand up in your places. Stand up in your places. Okay? Shall we give a big round of applause? चलिए वो वाला करें. चलो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. पूरा round. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Chalo. Let's do some clapping on the top. Okay, yay! Let's go now. Yay! Very good. Give it up. Thank you so much. Come on. Yeah, drop. Yeah, let's go. Let's try. Very nice. Keep it up. God bless you. Thank you.
following SDG goal number 16, peace, justice and strong institution. And name of our topic is digital nexus. So let's know what does digital nexus means.
Digital Nexus is the Print Technology Organization committed to
I think you'll have to walk around. Yes. Come on.
Digital Nexus is the Print Technology committed to serving the professionals and clients through blockbuster technology experience. Importance of Digital Nexus provide us cost-efficient utilization, which help us to buy things that we want.
Advantages of digital nexus are: it helps to enhance data collection, it helps to make better business models, it helps in the work which needs more productivity and efficiency, which leads to profit growth.
There are many disadvantages of digital nexus. First, it can lead to cybersecurity risk. Second, it is very costly and cannot be afforded by a person. Third, it can lead to money fraud. Second, it can lead to failed employment.
So as our friend told about digital nexus, its advantage, disadvantage and its importance, I hope to find PPT interest and knowledgeable.
Well done, team 1. So next team, Factor Job. Good morning, respected principal ma'am and present dignitaries. Welcome to our cyber security awareness event. I am Akhil with my team. As team 1 pointed out, digital has advantages as well as disadvantages. Many times we fall into big trouble due to lack of cyber knowledge. A team has created a views on it.
Stand there. Okay, I thought you wanted to do that. Okay, we fill this up. Alright. Answer. So definitely good. I've already started filling up. What is fill it up? Okay, we have to go to classes. But I love this. So I'm leaving this here. Before I leave out, I'll just leave it back. Yes.
After pressing submit button, you can also check your results. Our team also conducted a survey in our school and surrounding area on the topic cyber security awareness.
As we summarize the results of the participants, 152 were the total participants in the survey, as you can see in this pie chart. And 80.3% people are of 10 to 15 age and the least number age are of 25 to 30 and 11.8% people are of 30.
The last question we are asked, do you think offer more cybersecurity and resources? The answer is 86% is yes, not sure, 9%.
Wow, what a wonderful team. So let's move to the test team cybersecurity podcast.
I, Munir, on behalf of my team, introduce our topic, that is cybersecurity forecast. We have discussed with some common people about our topic cybersecurity. We have also met with some experts who told us that how to secure our how to be secure from cybersecurity. So let's look about it. But these students have failed. So next to these, cyber armors are ready and we should know about the point to be not be able to be the victim of the cyber crime.
As I sure everybody, today we are going to talk about the cyber tools. The
reach home.
Oh, you had not download any security tool. If you also want to say keep your devices, you have to install some cyber tools that we are going to talk about. The first cyber tool is firewall. A firewall is a computer network security system which restricts the traffic into the system and the things we wanted to get in our private network. Like in the diagram, you can see how the firewall acts.
A password manager is a tool which is used to store password and manage them. The most used password manager is Google. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. This stands the opportunity to establish to protect network connection using public connection network. With the help of VPN, no hacker, no government, no firewalls, access server data. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is a kind of software used to prevent, scan, detect and delete viruses from our computer. These are some examples of antivirus software like Spybot, AGG Tune-Up, AGG Antivirus. Vulnerability Scanner. Vulnerability Scanner is an automated tool that can help to scan web applications from outside and scan and detect viruses. Wow, what a beautiful work done by class 4. So, we will take care of these tools to safe and secure our devices. So, without further, move to our next theme, cybersecurity challenges and solutions. Today, I, Kamesh, and my friends are going to talk about cybersecurity challenges and solutions in India. Now, my friend, Dr. Udit, go and tell us about the different types of cybercrime in India.
First, phishing is a type of social engineering and cybersecurity attack where the attacker impersonates someone as via email and other electronic communication system. They are compromising computer resources through unauthorized access to an account, app, and computer system.
Cyberstalk is the crime in which someone harasses or stalks victim using electronic or digital means such as social media, email, text messaging. Cybercrime rate in India. Cybercrime rate in India reported cybercrime complaints in NCR per lakh population. In 2023 was 129 through state-wise data shows Delhi leading with a rate of 755 and followed by Haryana 381 and Telangana 261. Government initiatives to prevent cybercrimes in India. To prevent cybercrimes, we can report these frauds by calling National Helpline 1930.
So now, cybersecurity challenges and solutions in Pakistan.
Welcome back. I am Manjeet, along with my team, to discuss about the cybersecurity in Pakistan. What are the challenges they face and what are the solutions for this problem? Pakistan faces a number of challenges when it comes to the cybersecurity. One of the biggest challenges is the lack of resources and expertise dedicated to this field. Number 3, unauthorized access to information or system or data, unauthorized copying or transmission of data. Now, Aditya will share what are the solutions for these problems.
Cybercrime solution are first creating data backup and encrypting the sensitive information. Second, updating or security system and software. Third, conducting regular employees cybersecurity training.
Richest product most common reported in 2020. It is 4,764 complaints are reported.
Cybersecurity is agency Pakistan पर second system LRT third KFTG weapon VM. Thank you. So let's describe the cybersecurity challenges and solutions in Malaysia.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kiran Ray and these are my team members. Our topic is cybersecurity challenges and solutions in Malaysia. Kamal, do you know what are different kinds of cyber crimes in Malaysia? Yes, there are different kinds of crimes in Malaysia. Crime in Malaysia manifests in various forms, including crime and shooting, drug trafficking, money laundering, fraud and black marketing, and many others like credit card fraud, hacking, cyber harassment, identity theft.
The crime rate in Malaysia shows a decline of 11.9% in Malaysia.
So now I am going to tell you about crime rates in Malaysia. There were 4,741 crime rates in Malaysia. At the last year, while February 2023, the reported cases were 456, which are fraud.
There are some government initiatives in Malaysia to prevent cybercrime, like Project Monitoring System.
Royal Malaysia Police, PDRMC.
This is all about cybersecurity challenges and solutions in India, Pakistan and Malaysia.
विज्ञान का जमाना, विज्ञान का जमाना, तकनीक को अपनाना, तकनीक को अपनाना और आगे कदम बढ़ाना, और आगे कदम बढ़ाना। आया है नया जमाना, आया है नया जमाना।
नया जमाना, नया दौर है, सबका अपना स्टाइल है। जिधर भी नजर घुमाओ यारो, सबके हाथों में मोबाइल है।
मोबाइल है, सबके हाथों में मोबाइल है।
इंटरनेट की दुनिया ने सबको ऐसे जकड़ लिया। इतने सारे रिश्ते नाते जब से हाथों में मोबाइल पकड़ लिया।
मोबाइल हाथों में पकड़ लिया, मोबाइल हाथों में पकड़ लिया। नया युग जो आया है, साइबर युग कहलाया है। समय धन जो बचता है, बस बटन दबाओ काम हो जाता है। बटन दबाओ काम हो जाता है, बटन दबाओ काम हो जाता है। कोई भी बिल हो, बटन दबाओ। स्कूल की फीस, बटन दबाओ। बैंक का काम, बटन दबाओ। बुकिंग हुई भी, बटन दबाओ। बटन दबाओ, बटन दबाओ। घर बैठे बस बटन दबाओ। सारी दुनिया से जुड़ जाओ, बटन दबाओ, बटन दबाओ।
वाह वाह, ये साइबर दुनिया की तो बात ही निराली है।
अरे भाई, ये तो उजली उजली नजर आती है ना, इसमें भी कोई चीज काली है। हर कोई अच्छा होता, कितना अच्छा होता। यहाँ जितना कोई होता, कितना अच्छा होता, कितना अच्छा होता।
मैं लुट गया, एक फोन कॉल से मैं लुट गया।
भाई, किसने तुम्हें सताया है? इतनी उदासी किस चेहरे पर? क्यों ये बात उठाया? किसने तुम्हें सताया है? क्यों ये बात उठाया है?
एक कॉल था मुझे आया, सामने से था किसी ने फरमाया।
क्या फरमाया? क्या फरमाया?
बोला बैंक से बात कर रहे हैं, अकाउंट ब्लॉक हो चुका है, सारे पेमेंट रुक चुके हैं, जल्दी से KYC अपडेट करवाइए, बस OTP और अपना बैंक का नंबर बताइए और सारी मुश्किलों से राहत पाइए।
अच्छा, फिर क्या हुआ? फिर क्या हुआ?
फिर जैसे ही मैंने बटन दबाया, मैंने अपना सारा बैंक बैलेंस साफ करवाया। अचानक ये कैसे हुआ पता न चला।
शायद मेरा प्रोफाइल उसको पसंद आया, तभी तो फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट इंस्टा पर आया। उसकी प्यारी बातों का दिल अपना आया, उसको फ्रेंड बनाकर मैंने अपना सब कुछ बताया। एंजल प्रिया नाम है मेरा, यही तो असली शिकार है मेरा, इसे बर्बाद करने के लिए सारा प्लान तैयार है मेरा। हाय उसने दिल मेरा तोड़ा, मुझे कहीं का ना छोड़ा, क्या करूं किधर जाऊं या उधर जाऊं या
अरे रुक
corruption, uphold human rights, and foster a culture of lawfulness. I commit to act with integrity and rise up for peace and the rule of law with education.
Very good afternoon to all of you. What beautiful awareness you all have given us, and बहुत अच्छे तरीके से आपने आज की जो challenges हैं, जो youth को face करनी पड़ रही हैं, या फिर हमारी older generations, because they are not that tech savvy, they are facing many challenges. उन सब चीज़ों को आपने बहुत अच्छे से दिखाया, involving the grandparents and even the youth. That's brilliant. And coming to the scanner, that was wonderful idea, whoever the idea it was, giving us a complete outlook. आपने practically इस चीज़ को integrate किया कि कैसे हम एक form को भरते हैं, कैसे scanners को use करते हैं. So it's a very tech-savvy class. A huge round of applause for all of you. Thank you.
A very good afternoon, children. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Mrs. Indrajit Kaur-Gill, Principal Little Angels Poets School, and we have come from Kapurthala, and we are also part of the initiative Rise Up for Peace. And we, I mean, right from the beginning, from the starting of this test to the entire group and the performance, brilliant. You all have put in so much of effort, and you all are and I'm so happy that you are also aware about the rules and regulations, and also what all safety precautions we need to take in today's scenario of internet, where everything, everything is available on social network. We should not expose everything, all our safety aspects should be taken into consideration. I really like the cyber armor, the way we need to install certain things in our, mobiles, so that we remain safe and secure. And this is very important message for today's generation, which you have given through all the, technology aids. Thank you so much, and God bless you.